In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively unhide drawings and indicators in Tradingview, ensuring you can navigate your charts with ease and precision. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning, managing your views and clutter on Tradingview is essential to make the most of your analytics and chart studies. Let's dive into the process so you can focus on making informed trading decisions. To start, you might notice at times that your drawings or indicators are cluttered or hidden, making your chart look cleaner but less informative. The first step is identifying a trend line that's already on your chart. It's not uncommon for users to hide trend lines when they become unnecessary for the analysis at hand. To bring back a hidden trend line, first locate the specific trend line you're interested in by right-clicking on it. A menu should appear with multiple options. Next, simply click on Hide, or if it's currently hidden, this action will unhide it, making it visible again on your chart. This process can be repeated for other individual elements on your chart, such as indicators, which you'll find on similar menus when right-clicking on them. Next, let's go over how you can manage entire groups of drawings or indicators, like a rectangle bar, with similar simplicity. As before, right-click on the specific drawing or indicator. Select Hide to temporarily clear it from your view, or ensure they're shown if they were previously hidden. A well-organized chart allows more uncluttered analysis, supporting accurate predictions and insights. If you're dealing with multiple elements, that's where the object tree comes in handy. Tradingview provides a systematic way to manage multiple elements through the object tree and data window. On your interface, find this option in the control bar or the chart settings. Clicking here will reveal a detailed list of all objects present in your chart, whether they are drawings, indicators, or other elements. From this window, the power is yours to choose what to hide and what to bring back into view. Simply click the Show or Hide options as required. Don't worry about making adjustments, as the system is designed to let you preview changes and keep your workspace neat. Now you know how to navigate through hiding and showing drawings and indicators with ease on Tradingview. Employ these skills to maintain clear and organized workspaces, allowing better analysis and more strategic trading decisions. Play around with these settings and practice to become proficient. With Learn Finesse, Tradingview becomes an even more powerful tool in your trading toolkit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to boost your trading success.